Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to show you how to generate YouTube thumbnails from prompt. And I will give you 20 prompts simple and teach you how to use it. This guide will be quick, clean and ready for use. DevOps in Action channel is dedicated to DevOps and AI in easy way. You always found complexity in simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is DevOps in Action. So let's jump to the live without any delay. On channel you can find out my GitHub link from here and open the repository and open YouTube thumbnail generator prompt. Right here not only 20 prompt, but here I will teach you how you can grab any thumbnails from the YouTube and how to decode the prompt from there. Let's say I added an example. This is channel the Mind OS AI, right? So in Mind OS AI you can see this channel has generated multiple videos, and he's generating from the 1 month. You can see in 1 month they uploaded 426 videos and everything is generating from the AI, right? 426 videos uploaded within the 30 days. And for subscriber, yes, this is just started, so no worries about the subscriber, but we are looking for the thumbnails, right? So let's say I want to pick up any videos and copy this videos link and open the thumbnail grabber or thumbnail downloader from here. Just paste the URL, get thumbnail, paste it, and here. So here you can download the any of the size. Okay, once download done, you can see here save image and it is already saved, right? Done. So both URL are the same, but I added two URL. Maybe if any URL not work in your case, in that case, right? So I downloaded the image, and you can take any example of them and download the image. Now open the ChatGPT and just click here and upload the file, add photos or files, and let's say open the downloaded file here, right? And type the prompt here, give me prompt to use same to generate same image. Right? So in that case, this ChatGPT will check this image and give you the prompt in details. So here you need to just copy paste it. So I am giving you a demo from where you can pick up any image from the YouTube thumbnails and decode the prompt, right? So once you decode the prompt, and you can use the same prompt and modify whatever you want, and after that use that one, right? So this is the main prompt, right? So let's say I want to generate one more here. Let's say copy this one and open the thumbnail grabber and get the image, download SD image, and again go back here and upload here also, upload this one and copy paste the same thing. Now you can get the prompt from here. So here I added 20 prompts which you can use based on your requirement, right? So this is the prompt which you need to use. Similar, I added take AI tools thumbnails and make money for business thumbnails. So let's say I want to generate this one, just paste it here and send them. And third one is the gaming thumbnail, smartphone tech review thumbnail, so I want to show you that one also. Fifth one is the fitness weight loss. Sixth one is the food cooking thumbnails, and education, travel, motivation, mystery, and in advance generic specific prompt. In that case you can put anything. You need to replace your product name here and send them, right? So basically it's taking time because my chat gpt is free plan, so that's the reason. No problem, let's wait for completion. Gaming action, you can use this one, and let's say I want to use this one also. And documentary, fitness, education, lifestyle, cooking, horror, there are a lot of things. I added 10 in genre specific and 10 normal. You can use any of them, or you can pick up any YouTube videos and download thumbnails from there and decode it, and after decoding the prompt you can use that prompt from there, right? So this is the basically idea, not not exactly prompt I am giving to you, but this is the idea from where you can get the prompt, detailed prompt, right? So once you get the detailed prompt, you can generate any image through the chat gpt. So let's wait to finish this one. Okay, it's taking time, so let's complete it. You can see. So similar, you can generate any image through this prompt. And yes, size maybe sometime aspect not met, then in that case you need to give you reprompt again there. So in that case you can generate as you want, you can get the same, right? I think that is enough for this part. If you have any question, ask me comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.